Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to copy data from Yahoo Finance Easy Guide. Start by locating the ticker or table you want, then use either the Download CSV button or select and copy rows directly. Clean up headers and date formats in a spreadsheet, remove commas from numbers if needed, and convert percentages to decimals when required. Save a backup and set a simple refresh routine for updated pricing. Find the stock or fund page and open the Historical Data tab, then choose the time range and click Download to get a CSV file. Alternatively, highlight the table rows, copy, and paste into a spreadsheet to preserve formatting. Use text to columns to separate values, check date order, and apply number formats. Save as XLSX or CSV and document your source for reproducibility. If needed, remove non-breaking spaces and verify numeric locales match. Quick recommendation: if you stream results while working, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and alerts while you copy data. It brings voice control, clear sound, and simple routines that can remind you to refresh data or save backups. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to speed copying, or use right-click export options when available to preserve formats. In Google Sheets, use Import Data or Importmal to pull CSV or tables directly by URL, then clean columns with split and value functions. For programmatic access, use Python with Finance or a simple HTTP request to CSV endpoints. Then automate weekly pulls and log any missing rows for review and errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.